Hello everyone, this is Rich from the Aeronomic Bird Channel. 2023 was a very successful year for our little live stream bird box. We got to watch bluebirds raise and fledge 2 broods for a total of 9 chicks, and that was so much more than we could have hoped for. We were thrilled with that result, and we didn't expect to see any other activity in the box until the following spring. So it was pretty exciting in October when a female downy woodpecker started spending her nights in our box. You can tell that she's female because males have a bright red patch of feathers on the back of their head, and she obviously does not have that. It's apparently not uncommon for downy woodpeckers to use bluebird boxes over the winter because they're such a small species they can actually fit inside. And it makes sense, they can stay a little bit warmer and much drier if they can get it out of the weather. And we were lucky enough to get to experience that. She didn't spend every night in there, but it was most nights from mid-October all the way until April when the bluebirds returned this spring. So she got a lot of use out of it. And she was like clockwork. She would arrive at sundown, give or take a few minutes. She would preen herself for a bit and then eventually sleep. Although surprisingly, she would wake up often throughout the night to do more preening. And then in the morning, when she was ready, she would perch in the opening of the box and just watch the world go by outside for 2 or 3 minutes before she'd finally leave, again like clockwork, within minutes of sunrise. This footage, I believe, is from the very first night she spent in our bird box. And it's just of the first few minutes after she arrived and of the last few minutes before she left. I will be uploading a much longer video soon if you'd like to see more of her. And I'll link to that video in the description of this video once I've uploaded that. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you again soon.